You don't have a time problem. You have a scrolling problem. Hours disappear. Not because you're busy, but because your brain is trapped in a loop of endless content. One video, then another, then another. And before you realize it, your day is gone. No progress, no growth, just consumption. And the worst part? You feel tired without doing anything meaningful. Because scrolling gives you dopamine, but takes away your life. So today, I'm going to give you 13 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually build you into someone stronger, smarter, and more in control. But listen carefully. Don't try all of them. Pick 2 or 3 and commit, because your life doesn't change from watching. It changes when you start doing. Number 1, build something online. A page, a brand, a skill. Right now, people are making money from their phones. And you're just consuming. Stop watching others build and start building yourself. Number 2, strength training. This is not just physical. This is mental. Every rep you push, you train your brain to handle pressure. Confidence isn't built in your head. It's built in your actions. Number 3, writing daily. Your mind is messy. Thoughts everywhere. But when you write, you organize your thinking. Clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from seeing your thoughts. Number 4, walking in silence. No phone, no music, just you. If this feels uncomfortable, that's the addiction leaving your system. Because silence is where control begins. Number 5, learning a high-value skill. Scrolling entertains you. Skills pay you. Learn something valuable. Content creation, AI, design. Because effort without direction is wasted effort. Number 6, reading with purpose. Not random content. Read things that upgrade your thinking. Because the way you think controls the way you live. Number 7, cold exposure. Cold shower. Cold water. It shocks your system. It forces you to face discomfort. And the more you face discomfort, the less control it has over you. Number 8, communication practice. Most people fail because they can't express themselves. Speak clearly. Speak with intent. Because your voice decides your value in the world. Number 9, learning sales. Everything in life is persuasion. Jobs, money, opportunities. If you can't influence, you'll always depend on others. Number 10, creative work. Editing, design, writing. Instead of consuming content, start creating it. Because creators build leverage. Consumers stay stuck. Number 11, journaling. Write what's actually in your head. Not fake positivity, real thoughts. Because clarity comes when you face yourself honestly. Number 12, strategy games. Chess, problem solving. This trains your brain to think ahead instead of reacting emotionally. Number 13, running. Running teaches you one thing. Your mind will tell you to stop long before your body needs to. And discipline is choosing to keep going anyway. Listen carefully. You don't need all 13. You just need a few that replace your worst habit. Because scrolling is easy. That's why it's destroying you. But these habits, they build you. Slowly, daily, powerfully. So decide, are you going to keep consuming your life away? Or are you finally going to take control? Pick 2 habits. Start today. And if you're serious about changing your life, comment the ones you choose and subscribe. Because this is where discipline begins.